The Land Transportation Office (ALTO) in the Philippines has a specific schedule for vehicle registration renewal based on the license plate number. This system ensures a more organized and efficient process for vehicle owners. Monthly schedule. The last digit of your license plate determines the month you need to renew your registration. Here's the breakdown. Weekly schedule. The second to the last digit of your license plate determines the specific week within the month you need to renew. Advance renewal. To avoid any hassle or delays, you can renew your car registration a month before its deadline. This is a recommended practice to ensure you are compliant and avoid penalties. Penalties for late renewal. Failure to renew your car registration on time can result in hefty fines. Weekly penalty. 200. Monthly penalty. 50% of the motor vehicle users charge MVUC, driving an unregistered vehicle. 10,000. ALTO driver's license DL classifications. There are several classifications for ALTO driver's licenses in the Philippines. As of writing, there are 3 types of driver's licenses currently being issued in the country. Student permit. One of the most exciting parts of becoming an adult is taking care of things only adults are allowed to do. Just like driving, in the Philippines, every driver is required to go through a student phase, the period when they need to secure a student permit and operate a motor vehicle in public, under the guidance of either a non-professional or professional licensed driver. Non-professional driver's license (NDDL). Tired of being chaperoned in your own ride? Well, if you are of age and have survived a month on a student permit, then you can go on and secure your first government-issued ID card by applying for the non-professional driver's license. This license classification is designed for rookie drivers fresh out of the student phase, as well as those who have no intention of driving a public vehicle or any motor vehicle for a living. Professional driver's license (PDL). However, if you are securing a driver's license in the name of pursuing a career as a public utility vehicle (PUV) driver or a commercial driver in the Philippines, what you will need is neither a student driver's permit nor a non-professional driver's license, but a professional driver's license (PDL). Other driver license not issued by the ALTO. Aside from the ALTO-issued driver's license, there is another type of driving license that citizens can acquire to be International Driver's License or Permit (opening parenthesis IDP closing parenthesis). An International Driver's License, otherwise known as the International Driver's Permit (IDP), is a license issued to permanent residents of the Philippines who would like to be able to use their license to drive a motor vehicle freely on the roads of over 150 other countries in the world, except for Australia and Spain, which allow Filipinos to operate vehicles with either their professional or non-professional license. Conductor's license. This type of license is released to bus conductors only. This is given to them to verify their competence towards the security of the bus's passengers. The process of obtaining this license has almost the same process as the application for a professional driver's license, but do note that instead of the usual 60 items, the applicant will need to answer only 20 questions. Qualified for this license are conductors who can or cannot drive. Driver's restriction codes. Restriction codes. These codes are used to indicate specific limitations on your driving privileges. Common restrictions include G1, Learner's Permit with restrictions, G2, Intermediate License with restrictions, G, Full Driver's License, M, Motorcycle License, L, Learner's Permit for motorcycles, Z, Zero Tolerance for alcohol or drugs, R, Restrictions on driving at night or during certain hours, P, Restrictions on the number of passengers, V, Restrictions on the type of vehicle you can operate.